What's up, everybody? Today I'll be showing you how to jailbreak iOS 12.1.1 beta 3 and how to get rid of that annoying pop-up to update from beta. First thing first, you have to do this. You have to go to settings, general, iPhone storage, and right there on top you're gonna see, you might not have it, but you're gonna have to delete any updates, any iOS updates. It has to be deleted, otherwise if you jailbreak you're gonna get stuck in the loop. So you're gonna have to delete that, okay? Alright, now what we need to do, open Safari. We're gonna go to this URL, ignition.fun. It will be in the description, and you can either use the web or we can install the app. So I already installed the app, so let's get to it. Open up Ignition app, and we're gonna click on the second tab, and then we're gonna go to jailbreaks, and we're gonna search for the uncover. Just type in UN, and right there the latest one, which is uncover beta 36. Click on it. Maybe in your case it may be beta 37 or 38, so you always use the latest beta you can find. Alright, so let's open it up and click on get. And hit install. And exit out of that. And it's right there, uncover. Let's open it up. And as you can see, uncover jailbreak for iOS 11.0 all the way to 12.1.2. Let's hit jailbreak and wait for it. But again, make sure to delete any iOS update in the iPhone storage. Let's see over here. Let's turn off reload system daemons. Sometimes it's recommended. And let's jailbreak again. Thing now in might have went through. If you guys have saved your SSH from other iOS like 12.1 or 12.1.1, whatever iOS before 12.2.2, you can always upgrade or downgrade to it if you want to, but the easiest way is just to upgrade or downgrade to 12.1.1 beta 3, since it's still being signed by Apple. I don't know why. And there is Cydia. Let's open it up. Beautiful. Cydia is working on iOS 12.1.1 beta 3, iPhone X. Now let's get rid of that annoying pop-up to upgrade to iOS whatever after the beta one. Let's do some upgrade first before we continue. Alright. Now you're gonna have to go to source, edit, add, and we're gonna type in the following. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, geek.com/repo, add this source. Okay, source added, and we're gonna search for NoBetaAlert. NoBeta, oh, it's right there. It's already installed, I think. Yep. So now, if it's not installed, just hit modify and hit install, and you're good to go. If you see any changes, just go and upgrade them. Hit upgrade, confirm, and install. If you want to stay on iOS 12.1.1 Beta 3 with this tweak of NoBetaAlert is installed, you're good to go. It will not bother you by upgrading. So enjoy the jailbreak, install your tweaks, your themes, and have fun with it. Any questions, feel free to ask, and I appreciate all support. Please like, share, and subscribe, and till the next video. Have a good one.